Our mission is making home a community, turning passion into excellence and positively impacting lives. Hunt is the largest military housing operator nationwide. We have over 52,000 homes, 7,000 homes here in Hawaii, and we serve military families. Our goal is to create the best community that we can for military families, and we really take seriously that commitment to our heroes and their families. I'm Julie Blest. I'm the Energy Management Director for Hunt Military Communities on the corporate team. Hunt is very aware of the state of Hawaii's goal to achieve 100% renewable energy by the year 2045, and by tapping into these energy rebate and incentive programs, that allows us to reduce our dependence on non-renewable energy sources so that we can really support that state goal. Recently, we have implemented some lighting projects working with Hawaii Energy. We've also done some high-efficiency AC projects, as well as some heat pump water heating systems. So with over 600 high-efficiency air conditioning projects implemented, we have increased energy conservation in our community. We've provided our residents with a higher performing equipment. We have reduced the amount of waste that's happening in our communities and just improved the living condition for our residents. With the heat pump water heater systems, some of those same objectives, we've been able to conserve a lot of energy, reduce operating expenses in the community, deliver residents a more reliable, longer lasting, more efficient piece of equipment, and ultimately there's some advanced technologies involved with the energy controls that allow us to tap into demand response and load shifting capabilities. So we're really excited about the new technologies that this has allowed us to introduce in our community. By tapping into some of the rebates and incentives, not only did it offset the cost, allowing us to implement the projects quicker, but it also allowed us to reinvest the savings from those projects into our community. That allows us to provide amenities for residents such as parks, improved sidewalks, dog parks, splash pads, things like that that really make our community a better living environment for our families and the residents that we serve. Hawaii Energy made the whole process very easy. Their team was friendly, reliable, and very responsive throughout the whole process, and they allowed our company to take advantage of a lot of energy efficiency and cost savings that we wouldn't have otherwise been able to achieve.